Start that drain tile behind this one, and then go under all those, and then come out and go around it. What's up? What's up? All right, you got the blocks. Delivering those on site. Gonna build a wall back there. Skitty boys. Gonna grab the excavator. Get this unhooked. What do you got going on here, Ricky?
Hey guys, we're building the retaining wall.
What's the plan, B?
We're gonna dig this dirt out, compact the sub base, put our base stone in, compact that, and then build a retaining wall to save this driveway. And this house is about to fall down the cliff.
Easy.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you know.
Boy, what's your favorite part of running an excavator?
Tickling the controls,
Slapping them sticks.
slapping the stick. You woke up in beast mode.
Why'd you go where?
Well, dude, I didn't want to drag dirt on everything.
Who hired the new guy?
Mr. Tipster.
Hold on. Come on. No, just go down. Stop messing with it.
We're hella high.
Go up a little bit. No, go. No, just this way. Up. Stop trying to do it.
Not, dude.
You don't know what you're doing. Go up. Forward. Okay, go down. There's money from here. Alright, let's get that last corner. It's touching at the bottom.
True.
You want me to get stone and start backfilling? Alright, got all the blocks in there. Now he's got backfill, put the drain tile in, and fill this with millings. So what you're going to want to do is, see right here? Come here. So start that drain tile behind this one, and then go under all those, and then come out and go around it. That's where it's supposed to go, like right through the center.
I want to go on both sides if I have enough.
What do you mean?
I'll just, whoop. You know what I mean?
No, that's what I'm saying. So like you start on this one, and you have it come out this way.
I want to make sure I have enough.
How many feet did you get?
It was just right.
So much better than like all those other blocks where you have to do it behind it and stuff and like try to fit it and like you got it. Just come down here and just pull it right through, my boy. Solo dolo. Now you just come here and you just pull it out the other end.
Oh, your mom here.
I did 100 feet of that by myself. That's hard when it gets stuck. Hold on, I'll come feed it to you. We're gonna need a bunch to go around the outside.